break out from the ordinary with the Inventions electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Inventions powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Inventions electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.
Makers of the original Magic Bullet, introducing the NutriBullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
NutriBullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The NutriBullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.
Okay, you got time right here. It's a laundry bag, but it's like a big old Rocky type punching bag, right? So what you do, take your laundry, right? Throw your little stuff in there.
I love that tune.
You like that? You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Then you take the little thing with the deal, right? You hook it all up. And then they give you a little S hook, and then you can hang this puppy up, and as it gets heavier, right? Say something.
Oh, man.
Say what again? What'd you say about my mom? Right?
Ooh.
Right. Julian, that's It's not a very hard lunch. Okay, so that's the idea behind this thing. I just think it's so cute.
That is cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This one is from our good friends over at Suck UK. You can get it online. It's 30 pounds, which translates for us, 20 pounds. Translates for us about $30.50-ish. Okay? All right.
Nice.
Now,
I like that.
let's see.
Yeah, move with it. Move with it. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Yeah, move with it. Move with it, move with it. Na 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 na.